What is up, everyone? It is Josh here again with a couple things, and I'm here to show you another way where you can make money online today for a very low startup cost. One of them is startup depending on how much you want to get involved. Another one, $7, and the last one is gonna be free startup cost as long as you have a skill set. In some ways, you might need to pay for a monthly subscription to make it work better, but in most situations, you can do it for free. So, the first and most obvious form of passive income you can make online today is the stock market. Now, I'm not saying get on stock market and start day trading, because unless you have done that before and you have researched, you are going to lose money. It's just how it works. You can't just guess at that game. You will lose it. Trust me, I've lost multiple thousands of dollars over the years trying to day trade just because I thought I was cool. It doesn't work. Don't try it unless you study. Now, there is such a stock as a dividend-paying stock. I've mentioned it before in previous videos as a great source of safe passive income, and I'm mentioning it again today because it is a way to start making some passive income today. It'll have your money working for you while you don't have to do anything. So basically what a dividend-paying stock is it is a stock that will pay you over time based on the growth and profit of the company. So as of right now, I will mention AT&T right here. Ignore all these numbers. They don't matter to you if you're paying for a dividend-paying stock. So as you can see, you got AT&T right there. $29.11 is how much you can buy a share of AT&T for. But when you buy a dividend-paying stock, you don't care about that price. Doesn't matter. What you care about is the dividends right here. So as you can see, this is the dividend flow sheet. So this is dividend per share at the top of the screen right up here. And this is how much they pay you. Now, as you notice, they do this every 3 months. So if you have one share, every 3 months, they will give you 52 cents. Now, that is a heck of a return, much better than the savings account. So, for example, if you have, let's just say, 500 shares, then every 3 months, you'll roughly get $250-ish, I think, if I did my math right. So, can this be started with as little as $25? No. But can it be started with $30? Yeah. And then within 3 months, you're going to have $29.63. And 3 months after that, you'll have $30 and something odd cents. And you see how it keeps going and going and going. And maybe if every month you buy one more of your share, you're getting more and more of that passive income that you're making online. Much better than a savings account that has that 0.001% interest rate or something. A dividend-paying stock is a great way to start making money if you have a little bit of capital to invest in it. Safe. And like, you're not going to lose money. Sure, your value of your stocks might go up. So if you buy it for, let's just say $29.50 and it drops, yeah, that value is going up. But that you can't plan for that. What you need to focus on is the dividend. And to figure out good dividend-paying stocks, all you have to do is Google aristocratic stocks, and it'll give you this big old list of them. So for example, I own a whole bunch of these stocks in my other account, and on July 8th, I will be receiving whatever 200 times that is. So 200 times 52 cents is what I'll be receiving. And that's just money into my stock account. I automatically put it back into buying more of these stocks. So hopefully in 5 to 10 years, I have enough where every 3 months I'm getting a share, $1,000 or $2,000 just from this. This is a great way to make passive income without doing a huge investment of time. All right. Now going on from there, another source that isn't so passive, it's passive once you got it set up, but it's not passive right up the bat, is merch by Amazon, which I've made Teespring videos, I've made Redbubble videos, I'm making these shirt videos. Now, those shirt companies like Teespring and Redbubble and whoever else I've mentioned have nothing on merch by Amazon, because when you create a design for merch by Amazon and you upload it to the Amazon store, then you are getting Amazon's huge amount of traffic free. Like if you go to Amazon and then you type in cute shirts. So some of these shirts are going to be from merch by Amazon. Like I bet you right here. Nope, not today. I bet you that's a merch by Amazon. Someone's making serious money off of that because they got 11,000 reviews, which means they got at least 50,000 purchases. And right here, thick in the thighs and thin and patient or something like that. You got 10,000 reviews. Big money. probably merch by Amazon. Usually if they have a design, they're merch by Amazon, merch by Amazon, merch by Amazon. And you see that? All I had to type in was cute shirts, and all these people pop up that are making money off of merch by Amazon. Okay? So it's free to create an account. You do have to get accepted. So my recommendation is that you be a little generous to yourself when you're going through the acceptance process and like applying for the account. So if they're asking what type of influence you have, instead of saying I have 500 followers, say I have 1,000 followers. Or instead of saying I have no experience, I have intermediate experience. Maybe it's slightly dishonest, but Amazon doesn't care. They're a $1 trillion company, or $2 trillion. It doesn't matter. But anyways, I've made videos on how you can get artwork for this. If you have an iPad, you can use Procreate. That's what my wife does for me when she makes me new t-shirts designs. But there's also websites that you can use to give you a t-shirt design that will sell. The key is finding a trending product, which I've also made a video about that. And I'll leave it right up here. There should be something popping up on my screen that shows that video. Check that one out, and you can figure out how to find a trending product that way. But you can make phone cases, you can do a pillow, you can do a bag or whatever. Here's where you type it in. Make sure you optimize this. Search engine optimization when people jump on Amazon. But either way, this is a great way where you can go and make some passive income once you've gotten it set up. Because there's plenty of options. You just go into edit details. So see right here, or anyone who would buy your shirt design, which you can also change the price, but you're going to make $3.81. So if one person buys your shirt per day, which remember, Amazon is massive. There's people buying stuff on there like crazy. You're going to make $3.81 per day. So if you do like one of these per day within 6 months, you're going to have like 100 and something odd designs. And then if each one of those designs is selling every day, let's just say it's 100 for number's sake, you're gonna make 3,000, like 38. I don't do math very well, guys, but let's say you sell 100 items per day at $3.50, then you will make $3,500 per day just off of merch by Amazon. Obviously, that's a lot. That's a big if, but there's huge money potential in this if you just take the time and effort. To get a new design going, you probably need 30 minutes every night, every evening, or wake up 30 minutes earlier in the morning, get a design up, and then boom. Passive income, making money online, quitting your job, living your life. Awesome. Okay. Now the third source of income, which this one is my favorite and I would say is the most reliable, is affiliate marketing. Now the reason I am on Legendary Marketer is because I feel like it is the backbone of learning how to do affiliate marketing. So Legendary Marketer, basically, they teach you the tips and tricks on how you need to get affiliate marketing and be successful. Now, I will be honest and upfront. I tried Legendary Marketer about 6 months ago. On day 5, I quit. I emailed the guy who I was working with and I said, I'm done. I want to tell you that because the reason I quit was because suddenly they tried selling me this giant program. But ever since then, I haven't been able to get my affiliate marketing going to the stage I want it to go. So I'm like, all right, I should go back to Legendary Marketer. They got good reviews. I've heard nothing but good about them. I'm going to give it another shot. I was probably dumb in quitting when they just offered me a better product. So I went back, and I'm very happy I did. I'm not allowed to show you results based off of it's part of an agreement you sign when you do affiliate marketing with them. But I'm very happy I went back. The 15-day challenge costs $7. That's right. It costs $7 to do this 15-day challenge. You got a 51-minute video telling you about how to do it. You got another video, 15-minute video. You got a 40-minute video. You got a 22-minute video. Come on. There's plenty of options here on how you can learn how to do affiliate marketing. And even if you don't want to buy any more of their programming, this is the most education you will ever get for $7. I can guarantee you that. So go and check out Affiliate Marketing Legendary Marketer, and you won't be disappointed. I'll have a link for that down in the description. Go ahead and sign up for it. Give it a shot. $7. I'm sure anyone here can fork up $7. Learn how to do affiliate marketing. And then if you decide you don't want to work with the Legendary Marketer, which is fine, there is hundreds and thousands of affiliate marketing programs. We've gone over ClickBank multiple times. ClickBank, huge affiliate marketing program. You got Warrior, I think it's Plus. Yeah, Warrior Plus, another huge affiliate marketing vendor. This one's a little harder to get into just because you have to get approved for every single product you want to market. but it does have a lot of options. I mean, you got bigger sites like web hosting sites. So Bluehost, you go over to Bluehost, the website, and they have an affiliate program right here. See, affiliates. So affiliate is a huge source of income for anyone who has time. And you don't need to be some website guru. You don't need a website. I mean, the fact is, all you need to be able to do is be able to set up a Pinterest ad or a Facebook ad. Or maybe you even have just a lot of friends on Facebook and you know there's stuff that would interest them. Well, then that's all you need. All you need to do is copy the link, send it over to them, be like, hey guys, I tried out this program. I think it would be great for you. Boom. You get passive income. Or maybe you have 5,000 followers on Instagram because you post pictures all the time. Be like, hey guys, I tried out this new thing with my life and I tried affiliate marketing with Legendary Marketer. Go check it out. Or I started my own website with Bluehost and it's been great. They're easy to work with and I enjoy doing it. Go check it out here. Boom. $7, $8, doesn't matter. Now, not that I actually make money off your guys' $7 for clicking on that link below. That is how affiliate marketing works. I'm going to be honest and upfront with you. That link is my link. So if you click on that link, I don't get anything for that $7 purchase. But then let's say on day 5, when he's going to bring up their better programs that help you expedite the process, and you purchase one of those, then I get a commission off of that. So yeah, I'm selling them a program. I'm sorry. I'm selling you a program. It's how it works. But I'm telling you, I said screw this program not too long ago, and I do regret screwing that because if I had started it back 6 months ago, actually it was November of 2020, so that was 9 months, 8 months. It was a long time ago. Either way, if I had started it back then, I would have been in a totally different stage of my life by now. I'd already be making probably $12, $14, $15, $16,000 a month if I had stuck with it, because the results I've seen just from what I've done already has been massive. So I'm not selling you this just because it could get me money. Yes, it can, and I have to disclose that anyways. But this is a program that, at least for the 7-day challenge, you should take so you understand affiliate marketing. The 7-day challenge doesn't give me a commission. You try it, you decide from there. Okay? Affiliate marketing, I believe, is the key to anyone to have a passive income and be able to quit their day job. So if you're ready to become financially free, check out those 3 recommendations I got for you. I'll have links of all of them in the description except for Merch by Amazon. That's not an affiliate program. Neither is Webull, but I'll give you links to all of it so you can figure out yourself. And again, anyone can do this. Sorry, choking on my own spit there. Anyone can do this. So sign up, dedicate 30 minutes of your night every day to become financially independent, and maybe within 5 years you can quit your day job and live the life you want to live. All right? So peace out, y'all.